vlog. Third and probably most asked of tutorial yet. The one where it's a still picture but there's like a moving background or moving water. So today I will be showing you how to do that with a simple app called Plotograph. It's free, it's really easy to use, and let's get to it. So here we are going to import our picture, and we're going to begin with masking everything we don't want to move. So we're just going to start off with the main part, which is the sand. And in this picture we want the water to be moving and cover all the sand. So next we're going to zoom in and we have to outline the figure or the object that you don't want to move. In this picture it is me laying down very dramatically on the sand. So we're just going to go along and we're just going to outline my entire body. In this one it's very different than the tutorial I showed you guys on how to remove people or objects. For removing people, you can kind of just lazily outline the figure, but for this one it's very precise and you have to get as close to the figure as possible. Here I'm just doing a really quick rough draft to see how I like the look of the water moving. So now that I'm done outlining my body very roughly, I'm going to see how the animation looks. So I'm going to go to animate, and I'm going to put the arrows in the direction that I want the water to move. And there you can see that it looks pretty good. I think it'll look better if I take the shadow out. So I'm going to outline the shadow. So see, with the shadow it looks a lot better now. So now I'm going to go in and really make the edges of it very exact. This takes a while, so I'm just going to fast forward through all of it. So now that I kind of have more of a rough draft, we're going to look back. And when you press animate, you can see where the picture is rough looking. You can see there how it kind of looks odd, especially around the shadow. So I'm going to go back in, make the edges more precise. So you're going to have to go back through many times to get the picture as perfect as you want it. So once you get the most exact outlining as you want, there is something called anchor, and when you press anchor it kind of stops the movement around certain places. So as you can see, I put the anchor here on the shadow. It eases out the transition. So with anchoring you kind of just place it wherever you think is good. Sometimes, like with this one where I put it on my thigh, it paused the whole upper half of the picture, so I'm going to take it down and move it down a bit. I think one thing to really dull down the appearance of messy masking is to slow down the speed of the water. Don't put it too slow or else people won't really notice that it is a moving picture. But then again, don't put it too fast because then that really brings out the messiness of the masking. And once you're done, save it for Instagram, 3 seconds, and bring it to the highest possible image quality. And you can see here how it looks on Instagram. Like I said with the second tutorial, it does take a lot of patience and a lot of time, but it does come out with a super cool effect that's kind of like unique and original, and it gives it a little bit of a cool artsy flair. I really hope that helped you guys. If you guys have any more questions, please comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.